Environmental awareness makes us realize the pressing need to take immediate action to stop harming the environment and start restoring the damage we have done to it. And promoting our environmental awareness is very important because our earth provides resources that are essential to our well-being and quality of life. Water is called the universal solvent because it is capable of dissolving more substances than any other liquid. This is important to every living things on this earth. So we need to have a care on earth because this is our home. Inhale, exhale. The simple act of breathing is something that we have taken for granted at some point or another. In breathing clean and fresh air is necessary for us to survive and live longer. And it can help us to lessen the possibility of disease through fresh air. Three R's are the essential components of environmentally responsible consumer behavior. Reduce, reuse, recycle, or 3 R's are the most effective options to protect, conserve, and promote the nature and build environment for the benefit of the present and future generation. We must also create an orientation to the children or even the parents to cooperate and protect our environment through encouraging them to help cleaning the garbages in the street and put them into the trash bin area so we can heal as one unity. By planting more trees, we can save our land caused by the landslide and it can help us to bring back the beauty of our Mother Earth. Trees is one of the most important not only in our country but also the other country because it has more benefits to us like breathing fresh air and it can produce clean water and etc. The waste container has an essential role in keeping the neighborhood clean. This is by maintaining garbage locked in and collected by the authorities. Waste containers help to prevent an environmental hazard and will result in a neat and tidy neighborhood. Organic waste is simply any material that comes from a plant or animals and is biodegradable. Anything that you might put in a compost pile is organic waste. Include coffee grounds, apple cores, eggshell, and other kinds of food bioproducts. Volunteering is an intentional and willingness to participate in events such as street cleanups, tree plantation drives, and waste management initiatives that help reduce environmental pollution. These initiatives play a vital role in promoting sustainable development and preserving the natural environment. Natural tourism is a responsible travel to the natural areas, which conserves the environment and improves the welfare of the local people. It is our nature to be based on the natural attractions of an area. Examples include birdwatching, photography, stargazing, camping, hiking, hunting, fishing, and visiting parks. Recycling prevents the emission of many greenhouse gases and water pollutants and saves energy. Using recovered material generates less solid waste. Through recycling, help us to reduce the pollution caused by the extraction and processing of virgin materials. One way to protect the environment is by applying the 3R or reduce, reuse, recycle. The 3Rs can help to reduce the carbon footprint and conserve natural resources. It also decreases the amount of waste that goes into landfills, which causes less pollution to water bodies. Another way is to use eco-friendly products in our daily lives. Earth, the most important thing that we have, is often taken for granted because of this. We have to focus now more than ever on how to preserve that wellness. How do we do that? It's a matter of welcoming the change and adopting new better habits. The key to successful behavioral changes, the times it starts to small. Love the trees because trees help to combat global warming by absorbing carbon dioxide, removing and storing carbon while releasing oxygen back into the air. They also reduce wind speeds and cool the air as they lose moisture and reflect heats upwards from their leaves. Trees remove harmful pollutants from the atmosphere, include carbon dioxide, ozone, nitrogen dioxide, and fine particulate matter. They provide many resources such as food to a community. Trees mitigate the urban heat island effect and store the sequester carbon. They are important to us and to habitat.